Action. Today I'm inviting you to join me on a visual journey, an odyssey of sorts. A couple of years ago, I was invited to give a talk at a conference on the future of mobility, and the name in the program was called the Emotional Closing. I knew that the organizers wanted me to help the audience feel a sense of empathy, and so I turned to images of natural beauty, the earth, and the animal kingdom for inspiration. And so today, as we are facing the anxiety and stress of a COVID world, I would invite you to take a minute or two from your busy schedule and your kind of busy brain to just savor and enjoy some of what nature has to offer, and to remind ourselves that we are connected to something bigger and greater. So thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.